This time check is brought to you by Silka Green Papaya Soap. Dahil ang tunay na sign ng pagpapaputi, kita in as early as 7 days.
That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
This time check is brought to you by Bear Brand PMD. Tibay ngayon para sa matibay na bukas.
Take the first step to a better life abroad. Join the World Connect International Education Expo on December 20, Saturday, 9 o'clock in the morning at Quest Hotel, Cebu City. Learn, earn, live in Spain, Canada, Malta, Germany, Australia, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and USA. Meet international education experts from 12 prestigious universities and colleges from all over the world. Register now at World Connect Cebu. Text or call 0977-816-3100. 0977-816-3100. World Connect with 13 branches nationwide, celebrating 19 years of service to the Filipino. We are not a recruitment agency.
We'll get you there. World Connect.
Ayaw si Piata pagpaminaw sa balitang yutahon sa Sieti, ang inyong mga kabukiran, inyong kaugmaon, ang among focus, kaugalingong yuta para sa bukas na masagana. Dinhilang sa balitang yutahon sa Sieti, matag Sabado alas 5 sa hapon hangtod sa alas 5:30 sa hapon, makita usab sa DYHPR Limen Cebu Facebook page. Para sa uban pang updates, i-like, follow ug share ang official DAR Facebook, Instagram ug YouTube accounts nga at Dargo PH Official sa Facebook DAR 7 Central Visayas o sa official DAR website www.dar.gov.ph.com. Hatod ka ninyo sa Department of Agrarian Reform.
Dad's got plans he loves to build. Give him a drill or a wrench, he'll be thrilled. Mom's out back, her plants look grand. She loves some new gardening things with tools that help and lights that glow. Gifts that last and help your home grow. From hammers to drills to decorative items. Bring you cheer, so ace your Christmas, ace your gifts.
Shop your gifts and more at Ace Hardware.
Narito na ang programang hindi umuurong sa pagtulong sa PCSO. Bagong Pilipinas ang panalo sa kawang gawa at serbisyo. Halina at sabay-sabay nating tutukan ang programang handang umalalay at magbigay tulong sa bawat Pilipino. Hatid ay serbisyong publiko mula sa Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. Ito ang PCSO. Hindi umuurong sa pagtulong. Ang karamay mo sa bawat laban ng buhay. Tutok na tuwing Lunes, alas 11 hanggang alas 11:30 ng umaga. Mapapanood din sa pamamagitan ng Facebook Live, YouTube Live ng DZXL at sa Signal Channel 309. PCSO, hindi umuurong sa pagtulong.
Hi! Ako si Angeline Bautista, usa ka teacher ug volunteer. Teaching is my passion and as a believer of Christ, I decided to volunteer sa ministry during weekends. Challenging siya pero kaya ra gihapon tungod sa akong healthy lifestyle like workout and right diet ug ang MX3 capsule nga naay alpha, beta ug gamma nutrients. Thank you for the grace and love of the Lord and thank you MX3. I can still keep up. MX3, dili ko believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3.
Ang Cebu Metropolitan Catholic Mass Media Awards. Best Radio Commentator, Best Newspaper Columnist, and Best Public Affairs Anchor. Attorney Rufiel Fernandez Banyok sa Straight to the Point.